In this session, we'll be covering the tools used to manage the sign-ups associated with your conference events. We'll start by clicking the wrench in the upper left-hand corner to display the administration menu. From Administer, we're going to go down to Content Management and click on Sign Up Administration. This screen shows you all of the events associated with your conference. For each event, you will see the number of sign-ups currently. You will see the limit, which is the total number of people allowed for each event. 0 means there is no limit for the event. The status can be either open or closed. Open means that people can sign up for or register for that event. Closed means that people cannot sign up or register. To see the current list of people signed up for an event, you click on View Signups. And in this screen we see the 6 people that are signed up for that specific event. Now we can also look at some of the settings associated with that event. Now in the settings there is an entry where you can put the email of the person you would like to be notified every time someone signs up for an event. A confirmation is the confirmation email that will be sent to each user as they sign up. And in the text of the confirmation email, you see these entries that have a % sign in front of them. And at the bottom, you can see that there are several of these that can be entered into your message and will be used like mail merge. They will be replaced by the specific username or information associated with the event. Where you see the word node used, node is just a generic way to refer to the specific event. So where it says node URL, it means the URL for the event, or in this case it would be the entire conference. Scrolling down, we can see where you would set a reminder email. If you want an email to go out to all attendees a certain number of days before the event, you can set that here and enter in a default email message you'd like to go out. Again, you can use the replacement tokens to enable you to put in person, specific name, and so forth. And at the bottom we see the sign-up limit for that event, which can be set to 0 for unlimited or a specific number, at which time, when that is reached, the sign-ups will be closed. Now if you want to add sign-ups outside of the registration process, you can do that by clicking on the Add tab here. And you can see you can either type in a person's name, or you can come down to username, and it allows you to add a user who has already been set up for the conference. So I know there are a couple of doctors set up, so I'm going to type in doctor, and I see that I've got Dr. Ann March and Bill Fry. I want to sign up Dr. Bill Fry for this event, so I click on him and click sign up. And Dr. Bill Fry is now signed up for that specific event. This is the way that you would add attendees who are not paid registrants. There are people who would be from your internal department, or they would be presenters. The other option here is Sign Up Broadcast, which enables you to send an email to everyone who is currently signed up for that specific event. You just type in the subject and the message body and click send, and the email will be sent to everyone associated with the event. Now there's one other way that you can look at signups if you want. This way we started with the event. If you're looking for a specific user and want to know what they're signed up for, you can click on User Management, Users, then you click on the specific username, Dr. Bill Fry here, and we click on the Signups tab for that user. And we're going to see that Dr. Bill Fry is signed up for the full conference, which is the one that we just assigned him to in a few moments ago. So those are the tools that you would use to manage signups for your conference events.